Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a sit down video with you guys. I got this product from this company and it is called Invisible Push-Up Bra, and I just wanted to come by and show you guys it. So this is a product that I received in the mail, and I find that it works great. I've tried it on right now. I am currently wearing one of it. I'm wearing one of the products. I have one of it on, trying to make sure my girls are not fully jumping out, and I just wanted to come by and let you guys know. So I got the product in a medium, right? Medium, I think it's a medium, but I should have got myself a large. So, but it still fits because it's pretty much, it's supposed to fit over your nipples. But if you want like more oomph, you can get like a large, or it also comes in an extra large. There's two of it comes in the package. It is called the Invisible. So it's the Invisible Push-Up Bra, and this is what it looks like, guys. I got this product, it's from Amazon. It's a lift. It's called the Lifted Nipple Covers, and it's silicone for basically like dresses like this. So basically, instead of you wearing a strapless bra where you still get to show the stuff in the back, you don't have that. With this, it's just, it covers your nipples. If you get nip-ons, it's covered. You girl don't have to be worrying about being too cold when you're outside. And that's pretty much it. So I wanted to come on and show you guys, and so I'll show you what the back look like of my dress, so you can see that I don't have a bra on. I just have on the nipple covers. And so when you look at my back, this is what you see. So you see that there's nothing there. I'm not wearing a bra. And this is what it looks like. So I had the black one on. So this is the cream one, and I have the black one on, and this is the inside. So I'll show you guys when I rip it off. And it's the material, it's very sticky. So when you rip it off, and so this would be the part that you would put, so you would put this above your breast area, or lift up your breast and put it on. These, you can keep them on for an uplift, or you could choose to cut them off. And as you see, this bad boy sticks like a glove. Yeah, and yeah, so make sure that your skin is well cleaned and not oily when you put them on. I find that even when you're sweating, it still stays, which is good, because that's something that you want. You want to make sure that if you're buying something like this, you don't want it peeling off and you're out there, especially in the summertime when people tend to wear a lot of strapless dresses and stuff like that. You want something you want to make sure that it's going to stick and you don't have to worry about it. So this came, so it's two of it that came. So I had this one, and it also come with a pair of black one. And I think for this, it's water resistance, right? And it's skid resistance. And it says it's healthy, environmental, and it's biological gel, strongly stick to your breast. Thin edges, more breast fit curve, and you have that invisible trace, right? And it also give your breast that lift. So you can use, like I said, if you want to use it to actually enhance your breast, you could actually put it this way. You could choose to cut this off. You don't have to keep it on. You can cut it off. And what you do, you cuff your breast and then you put it on, and it gives you that extra cup or extra lift. Is that what you're looking for? It gives you that extra lift. Let me see, what else can I tell you about this? This product is also it's, like I said, it's available on Amazon. I will put a link down in my description below, so you guys could take a look at it if you would want to order it. The price range is between, it's 28, oh sorry, the price range in Canadian dollars is $18.95. With shipment, it's gonna run you, it'll probably come up to about maybe $23, but it's pretty much, it's worth it. I've had it for a while and I've been wearing it. So at times when you see me in dresses like this, it's what I have on, and I find that it works great. and my girls look good in it. And I don't have a problem. So I'm gonna put on another dress right now and show you guys what it looks like with the other dress on. And just to let you know, to see that, see, this is it showing here, so you guys can see this is the black one. So let me pull out one of them and let you guys see. So this is the black one, so that I pulled out and I had on, and it sticks right back, so it's very sticky, right? So I am going to put on another dress and show you guys another strapless dress, another like spaghetti strap dress, and show you guys what it looks like in that spaghetti strap dress as well. And so yes guys, so I am back. I have on another dress, and I just wanted to come and show you this one. So this one, it's a spaghetti strap dress as well, and as you can see, you don't see no bra lines because it doesn't have any straps, it doesn't have anything. It's just some nipple pierce-ons, and I have on the black one again. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys. I hope you guys do like this video. And yeah, if you guys end up ordering any of this product or have something similar to it, let me know what you guys think, and has it worked for you? How long do you find that it worked? This is the first time I've actually gotten a pair of these, so I'm just gonna have to test it out more and see how long it lasts me for, especially right now. It's very hot and humid in Canada. So for the days that I basically just wear dresses like this, I definitely want something like this, lightweight, just to put on and just to go. So at least if I do get a little bit of a nip-ons, they are well secured underneath here. I'm not worried about it showing, which is good. So I just wanted to come by and share this with you guys, and I would just like to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and let me know what you guys think about this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, guys.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and